Oh, he obliged. Blackout, thanks.
Now that the IT department's gone, let's blast the computers.
Jamming infrared.
Take out their long-range communications. Destroy the transmitters. Get inside the server room. I'm sure it needs some attention. Blow the server to hell.
IR jam.
One last thing. Clear out the command bunker.
Leapfrog, baby.
We're gonna have biometrics, so blow the